You want to see 5 wigs in 5 minutes, low density, straight styles? Just keep watching. The most requested videos I get by far are for low density styles, mid-length, straight. When I get new ones, I always kind of put them aside so I can show it to you at one time. I know y'all love those. I'm going to show you 5 in 5 minutes today. So that being said, now the 5 minutes doesn't start till I actually start showing the wigs. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is not a wig review, so know that right off. This is a very short, obviously, 5 minutes, 5 wigs in 5 minutes. So we're going to run through these very quickly. If you see one of these that you want to know more about, you want to see it outdoor lighting, you want to hear about the cap, talk about the color, talk about the fit and the permatease and all the things, then all you have to do is put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel and the full video will pop up and it has all that information. This is not that. This is just showing you some straight styles that are low density that you might be interested in, and then all you have to do is search my channel. The reviews are already there. This is just a fun short time together. So let's get started and look at 5 wigs in 5 minutes. This wig made my top 10 this year. This is Amelie from Push Hair. I love everything about it. You've seen me show it to you so many times. This color is, of course, brown sugar sweet cream. It has an extended lace front, a full mono top, made from beautiful heat-friendly fibers. Gorgeous length. Love everything about it. This is Belle Tress Ferrari and the Sun-Kissed Almond R. I just received this yesterday in a different color. It just came yesterday, but this is the one I have on my channel. So I will wait and show you that new color soon. This is one of what I like to call, I like your hair wigs. Every time I wear this out of this house, someone says, I like your hair. This is a beautiful wig. It's part of the Luxe collection. So of course it has a hand-tied cap, mono top, heat-friendly fibers. It has it all. I like the style of this. I really like the length of this. It doesn't rub on your clothing. It will last longer. You won't have to apply as much heat. Have a look at Ferrari. This is another one I have enjoyed so much. TressAllure Euro Chic 1426 R10. Another beautiful straight style. Look how pretty this is. Now this has a full mono top. I like that in this wig. I like the shape of this wig. And these are the TressAllure heat-friendly fibers, which I think are very nice as well. But notice this shape. It's choppy ends. I like that. I really like these really straight wigs with choppy ends. I think they're trendy. I think anyone can wear them. And this is a beautiful style. Now y'all, this is a brand I don't think gets enough attention. This is Wig Pro. They came out with this new line called Style Unveiled. This is Bethany, the color 17101. I just think they should get more attention because I think this new branding they have, these new fibers they have, heat-friendly fibers, this is a lovely wig. It has a better price point, in my opinion. Y'all, all this is just my opinion. But I think that this is a nice wig for the price. Heat-friendly, mono part, extended lace front. This color is pretty. It's non-rooted. I have a review on it. Like I said, just type the name in the search bar and it'll come right up. This is Wig Pro Bethany. This is a fairly recent wig. This is Henry Margu Dallas in 1226H. Really beautiful. Again, this is what we're looking at the same types of wigs today. Mid-length, straight wigs. I was so happy when Henry Margu came out with the heat-friendly fibers. I love Henry Margu wigs. However, I find their blondes are very shiny. So when they came out with these heat-friendly, I was so glad to see them. Extended lace front, mono top, and their heat-friendly fibers. Really a beautiful style and color, non-rooted. It's just gorgeous. Okay guys, that's it. Let me know what you think about these wigs. I am so happy I was able to bring these to you today. I appreciate all your feedback and for taking the time out of your day to join me and watch. Really means everything in the world to me. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.